You are, sit down. Let gravity do the work now. You've carried weight no one saw you carry. You've stayed steady for others while the ground shifted beneath you. Now, let the ground carry you. Feel your feet, not just as an idea, as contact, connection, strength. Grounded, reliable, real. Now feel your seat, the structure beneath you, the breath within you. No performance, no need to prove. There's wisdom in your body, not the kind taught, the kind earned. Each inhale brings you back to yourself. Each exhale lets you return just as you are. You are allowed to be here without managing anything. Not because you've earned a break, but because you were never meant to carry it all alone. Name the pattern, not the problem. Scarcity isn't just about having less. It's the quiet reflex to brace, to hold back, to tighten the grip, even when the threat is long gone. It's how your system protected the people you love. It's how you stayed ahead. It's how you stayed safe, how you made safety for others. So when it lingers, it's not failure, it's residue. Wealth consists not in great possessions, but in having few wants. The brain isn't fixed. It listens, and it adjusts when you show it something true. So show your body what's real now. You have room. You have time. You have resources inside and out. This isn't about denying scarcity. It's about remembering that you are more than the moment. You are not your bank account. You are not your inbox. You are not what others need from you. You're a steward, a man who has already built, already endured, and now gets to choose how he wants to lead from here. Breathe into that space, into your chest, your hands, your feet. Let your own outline feel like home again. Realigning your inner architecture means realizing that scarcity narrows your view. It teaches reaction, but you've trained your mind to look deeper. And now you get to interrupt the old story. When we align our internal state with clarity, not fear, the future reorganizes around us. This isn't about wishful thinking. This is about coherence, clean signals, true presence. So let this truth settle in. I have done enough. I can rest without losing ground. I can give without going without. I have done enough. I can rest without losing ground. I can give without going without. You don't need abundance as a performance. You need integrity, inner and outer. And that starts by meeting yourself here, honestly, without shame. Scarcity says, clamp down. Wisdom says, let it circulate. You've been generous before, not recklessly, but precisely. When you trust yourself, your generosity is clean. It builds, it restores, it remembers the whole system. Your mountain is not in the way, it is the way. Scarcity isn't blocking you. It's showing you where your power was paused. It's the trailhead of your next clarity. You've never needed to dominate the world. You just needed to trust what moves through you. Let your wealth, financial, relational, energetic, flow again. Not because it makes you good, but because you do good things with it. You always have. Savor these thoughts as you repeat them now. I lead from stillness, not scarcity. I am not late. I am not lacking. I move with power because I know where I stand. Let that settle. Let it land in your bones, in your breath. This is not softness. This is strength that no longer needs to shout. You're not escaping anything. You're returning to enough.